You always want what you can't have, and while you had it.
Xiaomi revealed the Redmi Note 9 series back in the last month. Curiously, the two devices revealed in India came with Redmi Note 9 Pro and Note 9 Pro Max monikers. So the question was, where is the vanilla Redmi Note 9? Since the start of this month, evidence about a standard variant started to pop out in the web, with the most consistent info coming from Chinese regulatory agencies like TENA. Today, the company finally confirmed that the Redmi Note 9 is coming. Redmi Note 9 series Global is scheduled to take place on April 30th, and it will start at 2000 hours GMT. Here, Xiaomi is expected to launch the global variants of Redmi Note 9 Pro and Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. It will also launch new Xiaomi products as teased, but there's no word on what those could be. Xiaomi already launched the Redmi Note 9 Pro and Redmi Note 9 Pro Max in select markets including India. The company also sells the Redmi Note 9s globally, which is the Redmi Note 9 Pro. There's also a Redmi Note 9 or Redmi 10X smartphone rumored to launch soon. This smartphone is expected to come with MediaTek's Helio G85 chipset, paired with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard storage. There will be a microSD card slot for storage expansion up to 512GB. Redmi Note 9 or Redmi 10X will ship with MIUI 11 and Android 10 out of the box. Its color options include sky blue, pine morning green, and ice fog white. The smartphone is also expected to be priced at 1,499 Chinese yuan, which translates to roughly rupees 16,200. And that's it for today. If you want to keep in touch with the latest leaks and rumors in the tech world, then click that subscribe button below. Thank you for being here. See you in the next one.